The Primus Elite Display Retrofit Phase 3 features the Honeywell Synthetic Vision System. The Synthetic Vision System, or SVS, provides a three-dimensional view of surrounding terrain, airports, runways, and obstacles coupled with advanced flight path symbology. SVS starts with traditional PFD flight and navigation data and builds upon it by using aircraft position data and a proven SVS database to create a full-screen synthetic terrain scene. To toggle between the traditional and SVS PFD, use the SVS on-off switch. This can be done while in flight or on the ground. If SVS is selected on at initial power-up, the blue over brown format will be displayed while SVS initializes. Along with the three-dimensional image of terrain and primary flight and navigation data, SVS also includes the following features: flight path vector, obstacle depiction, destination airport flags and runway highlighting, and grid lines. The flight path vector is similar to what is found in head-up displays. It depicts the aircraft's actual lateral and vertical path and is conformal to the SVS scene. Obstacles are displayed as solid rectangles. The obstacle database includes reported obstacles greater than 100 feet and has a worldwide coverage area. Obstacle symbols represent the true height of the obstacle, but not necessarily the true width. Obstacles that have not been reported to the governing authorities are not in the database and will not be shown. The airport flag displays the flight plan's destination airport ICAO code. Towered airports are displayed with a cyan airport flag, while non-towered airports will be magenta. The landing runway selected in the FMS is shown in cyan on the PFD. This helps the pilot quickly identify the landing runway and improves situational awareness. Within 40 miles of the destination airport, runway detailing comes into view and includes runway numbers, threshold markings, side stripe markings, aiming point markings, and a runway centerline. Grid lines are displayed over the terrain with 1 nautical mile spacing and depict a true north-south and east-west grid. These grid lines help provide a sense of motion and height above the ground. They also aid in depth perception and identifying terrain closure rate. In the event of an unusual attitude, SVS automatically adapts to maintain situational awareness and aid in recovery. In excessive nose-up attitudes, a ground veil appears. In excessively nose-down attitudes, a sky veil is displayed. Before using SVS, there are several limitations to be aware of. SVS is intended to be used in increasing situational awareness and should not be used for navigation or terrain avoidance. SVS is not a replacement for a HUD and should not be used for primary guidance during takeoff and landing. It also cannot be used to lower approach minimums. Accurate GPS position is required for the SVS to function. Excessive GPS uncertainty will automatically remove the SVS display. Additionally, SVS is not available in polar regions at this time. The Honeywell Primus Elite Synthetic Vision System features major technological advances that provide valuable tools for greater situational awareness and an overall safer flying experience. This video has been a basic overview of SVS on the Primus Elite equipped G4, G4SP, and G5 aircraft. Please refer to the Aircraft Flight Manual for more information.